we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this German racing driver who races in Formula 1 for Scuderia Ferrari. He is a 4-time Formula 1 world champion. How do you go about pronouncing his name though? Since he's German, in German his name is pronounced as Sebastian Vettel. Sebastian Vettel. Pretty straightforward once you know, right? In English it can be said as Sebastian Vettel. Sebastian Vettel. Did you get it? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more names, German names, Formula 1 German names, as well as car brand names that you may want to hear and nail the pronunciation of. I'll see you there to learn more. Au revoir.